Hi, welcome to the Website Audit Funnel Pack. My name's Matt and I'm a co-founder here at Funnel Packs alongside my partner Mel. I'd love it if you'd join me for a few minutes and I'll show you around our Website Audit Funnel Pack and what you'll get when you purchase. And we'll also talk about the sales add-ons available for the Website Audit Funnel Pack too. Website audits are a great source of leads for your business, and they're also a fantastic tool for really focusing on key issues that your clients or leads are experiencing. You can focus on website issues, marketing efforts, WordPress related elements, and many other items. Once you've completed your audit, you can let your client know about any issues that you found and present your recommended solutions. Now, I love website audits. I've personally been championing this funnel pack in our customer group ever since we launched in April 2019. It's my second favorite funnel pack that we've ever created. Performing a website audit gives you an opportunity to position and sell 7 or 8 and maybe even more different services to your client. Many agencies make a big mistake with website audits, performing the audit upfront as a free lead generation item. This leads to a lot of wasted time and resources as you've got to deal with tire kickers. A smarter option is to set up a lead generation system that educates and nurtures your leads and then sells your website audit service. Our website audit funnel pack has been created to educate your leads, showing them your expertise and encouraging them to take action by purchasing your website audit service. You're delivering value through education. Talking of value, this is something that's extremely important to us with funnel packs. We have a value first philosophy. Everything that we create for you will help you to deliver value first to your leads. Let me show you inside the website audit funnel pack so you can see what you'll get with your purchase. Welcome to the dashboard for the website audit funnel pack. This is our welcome page, and you can see there's a menu here with some different pages inside and the sales add-on, which we'll come on to a bit later on. But I just want to cover one thing first. The website audit funnel pack is completely unique at the time of recording this video in the funnel pack's ecosphere. It's the only funnel pack that has 6 elements in the lead magnet, and it's the only funnel pack that comes with a sales email included in the actual funnel pack purchase. So there's a couple of cool things, and that's because it's one of the first ones that we created, and we were playing around with some different concepts at the time, and therefore you get a bit more value in this funnel pack for the same price. So as I said, we've got a few different menu options here. So let me go through each of the pages and I'll show you what we've got on them. So let's go into the lead magnet page to start with. So as we go inside the lead magnet page, you can see there's a tutorial video at the top here. And this is me showing you how to edit the Google Slides version of the lead magnet. Now, there's 2 reasons why the Google Slides version of the lead magnet exists. Firstly, it's a great option if you're graphically challenged. So if you're like me and something like Illustrator just turns into you just not being able to function at all and having no skills, and that's fine. We've got Google Slides because it's really, really easy for you to use. Secondly, it's fast. So if you want to get up and running quickly, the Google Slides version will help you to do that. In addition to the Google Slides version, we also have the plain text lead magnet, and that plain text is really useful because we've got Adobe InDesign and Adobe Illustrator files. So for those of you who are advanced with your graphics and you're perfectly fine with Illustrator and that kind of thing, this is ideal for you. So you can go and make your own custom lead magnet and really customize this to suit your brand, your offer, and your audience. And when you do that, please do send Mel and I an email because we love to see what you guys come up with. Let's take a look at the Google Slides lead magnet and we'll see what's inside. So as you can see, this is our cover page. So there's plenty of opportunities in here to brand this, put your logo in and put some additional information on there as you want to. Inside, we have our introduction page. And as I scroll down, I'll just show you each of these. We have all the internal pages here. So you have website design, user experience, search engine visibility, conversion optimization, website speed, and website security. And there's a summary page at the end where you can put some additional contact information on the things in here. I'll cover that in the tutorial video, so there's more information in our video. Once you've finished making your changes, and this will probably take you about 10 to 20 minutes, then what you can do is you go up to the top and go File, Download, choose the PDF option, and that will now give you a brand new lead magnet that's ready for you to share with your audience. So let's go back into the funnel pack and we'll look at some more of the pages. Inside our page builder section, we've got Elementor, Beaver Builder, and Divi templates. So let's go into Elementor and we'll start from there. So we have a tutorial showing you how to set up your landing page, your thank you page, and your email settings in Elementor, bringing everything together. And down below that, we have our Elementor download, which is for the landing page, the thank you page, and the pop-up templates, and also for the website audit lead magnet cover image. In the Beaver Builder section, we have a Beaver Builder tutorial video, and that's running through how to set up your landing page, your thank you page, and your pop-up in Beaver Builder and connecting it with your email platform. And underneath that, we have our Beaver Builder download and also the cover image again. And in the Divi section, you see we have another tutorial, and that again is going to cover the landing page and thank you page setup in Divi. Slightly differently here, we'll be using the Bloom plugin for the pop-up and the email connection, and that's something you'll have free with your Elegant Themes account. So when you purchase Divi, you should have the Bloom plugin as well. If you want to use an alternate one, we talk about that in the video. That's not a problem at all. And down below, you've got the downloadable files, which is your Divi and Bloom files, and also your lead magnet cover image. So let's take a look at the landing page and the thank you page. So here's our landing page. This is the Elementor version. So at the top, we have a section for your logo, and that will add in some synergy onto your landing page. Underneath that, we have our hero section. And our hero section, we have a headline that says, "Is your website delivering success to your business?" Underneath that is a short subheader, and there's a button which says, "Send me my free guide." And your lead can then click on this. The pop-up will open up, and they can put their name and email address in, and they can kick on through your automation. On the right-hand side, there's a copy of the lead magnet cover image. And then down below, we have our main body section now. We have a headline, and we have four elements of body copy. On the right-hand side, there's 6 bullet points. And again, this is unique because there's 6 different areas to our lead magnet. So we have 6 different bullet points that refer to each of these areas. Underneath here, there's a button. It says, "Send me my free guide" again. So just like the one in the hero section. And finally, there's a social proof section at the bottom. When I say social proof, what I mean is you can put in here things like reviews, testimonials, excerpts from case studies, accreditations, logos of podcasts, the magazines, and things you've been featured in. It's all about building trust with your lead. So when someone comes to your landing page, they've likely been on a couple of pages on your website. They're probably not already a customer, so they don't yet know, like, and trust you. It's important when they come to your landing page and as they process through, as they proceed through your automation, so through your landing page, through your thank you page, and so on through your automation, that you're continuing to build trust. And we're building trust here by showing them some testimonials from your existing customers, and we're also building trust by leading with education and leading with value. That's how we're doing it. On the thank you page, we've got quite a simple page. It says, "Thank you, your free guide's on its way." Copy the ebook name again there. We're telling them to check their email for the link, and then a few other details on there. And on the right-hand side, we have the cover image. Now, some people might say this page is boring, and I would argue with you that you do need to understand what you're saying when you do say that. I've been building funnels for over 10 years now, and I can tell you that this type of thank you page does work. Now, there are many things you can do to make this more engaging if you want to, and we do cover this in our tutorial videos for our customers inside our funnel pack. So I'm not going to cover it now because obviously that would be unfair to our customers, but we do cover some ways you can make it more engaging. So our templates as a whole, one thing I want to make clear is that we make sure we keep all of our templates really clean and simple. Now, we do this because we know that 95% of our audience are agency owners and designers. If we take things in a design direction that's far away and really obscure from where the majority of people need it, it's going to be quite hard and time consuming for people to bring it back and take it into the direction that they want. So we keep things clean and simple. It gives you a good base point. You can change the colors and you can use these straight away, and that's not a problem for you to do. But it's very, very, very easy for you to go ahead and customize from this point. So looking into the next section of our funnel pack, we can go to the email section. Here we can see we have our emails. So we've got UK and US English, and we have UK and US English throughout. And we have those repeated again in the various sections here, so you can click in and see one of the emails. And then down the bottom there is a MailerLite tutorial. Now this particular funnel pack, where the MailerLite tutorial is, there's actually an overview of the emails included inside this video. So at the time of recording this video, I'd recommend that when you buy this funnel pack, you do watch the MailerLite tutorial, even if you're not planning to use MailerLite, because we will be covering nuances and ideas and additional information on the emails inside this video. In the future, we will be editing this funnel pack, and there will be an email overview video, and that will show up at the top here. So if you've purchased today and you see the email overview video up here, just watch that one if you're not going to use MailerLite. But if you are purchasing it now and you see the MailerLite video here, just watch that one first, because it will show you two things. Firstly, it will cover the email overview, so you'll understand the emails in more detail. And secondly, it will help you to see a bit of automation. So if you're new to automation, you'll see how it works in one platform, even if it's not the one you're planning to use. Now let's have a look at the emails in a bit more detail. So here's our UK English version of the Website Audit Funnel Pack email series. And you can see we start off with a welcome email. And this is the first one that goes out to your leads after they've signed up. So they'll sign up, and then your automation will run in your email platform, and this email will be sent out automatically because you'll have set that up. So they're going to get a link to the download and a couple other bits of information in the welcome. And you can see here we have 6 different nurture emails. So again, it's unique. We have 6 different nurture emails. Most of our funnel packs have 5, but this one has 6. And you can see we have a bunch of different ones. So we're going to web design here. We can see this email is about who is your website really for. And there's a nice bolded line there, which I think every client does need to know. Your website is not for you, it's for your customers. We're trying to make that really clear to them. But basically, each of the nurture emails feeds from an area of the lead magnet. So we're giving more value on the same topic, or maybe a slightly different angle on the same topic. And that's kind of what we're doing. At the end of our funnel pack, there's 2 options. There's a sales email or a consultation email. I'll leave the sales email for the moment. We'll just look at the consultation email. And with the consultation email, what we're looking here is to just gently get someone to book a 15-minute call with you. And then they can have a conversation what they've learned. They can sort of talk about their business in more detail. And finally, this is the best thing, you can start your sales conversation. Now, it's not a hard sell. You're not saying, book in for a 2-hour call and I'm going to push sales at you all the time. It's just a 15-minute call. So they can book this in at a time that suits them. And they can use a system. So you can have a system like Calendly or Book Like a Boss or Acuity Scheduling or any other booking system that you might have. And your calendar will be set up in there. They can come in, they can book a time that suits you, book a time that suits them, and you can have that conversation and you can start your sales conversation as you're talking to them. So that's kind of the purpose of the emails there. Next, we have a recommended tool section. And this is a fairly organic thing. So over time, this will change. So as you can see at the moment, we have website audit software, and we have 3 different opportunities there. So we have website audit, website auditor, and Screaming Frogs SEO Spider. Over time, this will change. So if some new products or software or even blog posts come up that are recommended, then we'll add them in. And obviously, again, if some of those are no longer recommended, or perhaps if they expire, then we'll take those out. But these are organic, and they will change over time. Now, if we do ever make a major change to a funnel pack, we'll always let you know in our customer Facebook group. And if it's a really big change, we'll let you know via email as well. The next section to look at is our bonuses section. And this one has a document in here which might be quite useful for some of you. And this is where I've written a 13-page sales process for selling website audits to your clients. Basically, when we launched back in April of 2019, about a month or 2 after we launched and we set this funnel pack up, I sat down and I put together the entire sales process, so everything I did for selling website audits to my customers. And that's in the Google Doc. And when you buy our funnel pack, you'll get access to this. So how does a funnel pack work exactly? So our funnel packs are created with WordPress in mind. We provide landing page and thank you page templates for Elementor, Beaver Builder, and Divi. You don't have to use one of these page builders. In fact, you don't even need to use WordPress. We already have some customers who don't use WordPress and they love our funnel packs. If you want to use another platform or system, all you'll need to do is recreate our landing page and thank you page templates. As I showed you in the video, we keep these deliberately clean and simple, as 95% of our audience are agency owners and web designers. We want you all to have the freedom to customize everything to suit your brand, offer, and audience. You can connect with the email provider of your choice. Now, we use MailerLite in our tutorials, but any email provider that allows for automation will work well. Common options here include ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Drip, and more. And if you're wondering how long it takes to set up a funnel pack, well, you can get everything set up and ready to go on your website and inside your email platform within an hour. For those who want to heavily customize things to suit their brand and audience, then you can spend longer on this as needed. But what we do recommend is you just get the funnel pack set up as the first thing you do. Now, our current unofficial record for setup is 25 and 27 minutes, and that's from Lorraine and Carl in our customer group. But Mel and I don't advocate you trying to be a speed demon. All we ask is you block off an hour of your time, and you'll be all set. I mentioned at the start that we have a sales add-on available for the website audit funnel pack. Let me tell you more about what this is and why it's a great option for you. Firstly, a sales add-on is an additional purchase that provides you with the content and tools to position a service at the end of your new funnel pack. For the website audit funnel pack, the sales add-on is focused on positioning and selling a paid website audit. One of my key goals with the website audit funnel pack is to stop agency owners, web designers, and marketers from giving away free website audits. You're carrying out work up front without qualifying your leads, and that's going to lead to you wasting time and creating audits that will never ever lead to paid work. A good audit takes time and is a valuable resource. your leads will pay for them when they understand the tremendous value that they'll receive. Once you've completed the audit, you can upsell further services and increase your bottom line. When you purchase the sales funnel for the website audit funnel pack, either with your funnel pack or at a later date, you'll get a sales page template for Elementor, Beaver Builder, or Divi, sales copy for the sales page. You'll get illustrated graphics in SVG format and in 3 different colors, which you can customize further in your favorite vector software. You get 3 different email sequences. You'll get a sales email sequence, which has 3 emails, so not just the one that you'll get with your normal funnel pack. You get a ban and cart email sequence and a welcome and onboarding email sequence. Plus, there's training videos that walk you through everything, including Thrive Cart and cart flows. Let me show you how that looks in the back end as well. So you see the sales add-on menu here. If you click on that, we can see our welcome screen. It gives you a little bit more information and also a recommended order for getting everything set up. From the drop down, we can also see that we have various pages. So we've got Elementor. So if I click in here, there's a video here which will show you how to set up the sales page in Elementor. Underneath that is a download for the sales page and also for the SVG images. In Beaver Builder, it'll be a similar thing. There's going to be another tutorial video showing you how to set everything up in Beaver Builder. And again, there's a download for that's the sales page in Beaver Builder and also for the SVG images. And Divi, another tutorial video for showing you how to get everything set up in Divi. And again, the Divi files and the SVG images below. In the email section, there'll be 3 different videos. So the first of these is the sales email sequence. And that's going to walk you through the sales email sequence and how that works. And also, obviously, you can get access to that below. The abandon cart email sequence and how that fits together. And you get access to that one below. And finally, the welcome and onboarding email sequence and then access to that below. And each of the tutorials here will all be running on MailerLite, although you can use any platform as you like, just like we spoke about before. Finally, in here, we have the Thrive Cart and cart flows videos. So these are basically showing you how to set up a productized service using basically a checkout system. So we recommend Thrivecart heavily. We use Thrivecart ourselves, have done for quite a while now. We think it's a great tool, and a lot of our customers use Thrivecart as well, not just for selling a productized service, but also for ongoing recurring revenue, such as care plans, SEO billing, and all sorts of things like that. So it's a really, really good tool. If that kind of thing is outside your price range, or if you don't have it at the moment, then Cartflows is a good alternative. And you say that one you can use from free. There is a paid version which will allow you to customize the checkout. Now, you can use any checkout system you like. You don't have to use Thrivecart or Cartflows. All you need to do is make sure that your checkout system connects properly with your email platform, whether it has a native integration or it works through Zapier. And if you want to use the abandoned cart email sequence, then your checkout system will need to be able to flag an abandoned cart and send that notification again through either a native integration or through Zapier to your email system of choice. The sales add-on will add on to the end of your funnel pack, replacing the call to action email. The templates are added to your website and you set up your email sequences and checkout systems following our video tutorials. Imagine bringing leads through your funnel and selling them a productized website audit whilst you sleep. It's pretty cool, right? So that's the end of our walkthrough of the website audit funnel pack and the sales add-on you can purchase to go alongside it. If you're ready to fast track your website audit lead generation, we've created a funnel pack and sales add-on that are ideal to help you. If you have any questions, you can email Mel and I on support@funnelpacks.co, or you can click on the icon in the bottom right hand corner of your screen here. Just click, choose send a message and fill out your details. And if you send us an email or you use the icon, as soon as we get your message, we'll be happy to answer your questions as soon as we can. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I really enjoyed showing you through my second favorite of our funnel packs. Hope you have an awesome day ahead. Take care.